Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to get a contractor's license in Virginia. So before you can start your application, it is important to know the different types of licenses and specialties issued in Virginia, as well as the requirements for different types of employees in your business. So there are three general classes based on the single contract or project value allowed, and that includes Class A for a single contract or project value of $120,000 or more, and Class B for project value of $10,000 or more, and Class C, which is a project value of $1,000 but no more than $10,000. In addition to these classes, applicants for a contractor's license must also pick a specialty. So, the example given is the type of work that the contractor wants to perform. And now, here are the steps in getting your contractor's license application. The first step is to register your business in the state, and you can do that through the Virginia Business One Stop portal. Then next is you have to make sure that you meet all the requirements for your license class and specialty. Then next is you have to complete the pre-licensing education course. So that's basically the board for contractors. Next, you must also pass the business exam, and exam fees are $85 for three parts of the exam and $72 for two parts. You must also meet net worth requirements or obtain a surety bond. Depending on the class, this is the amount for each. For Class A, it's $45,000. For Class B, $15,000. And Class C applicants do not need to demonstrate net worth or equity. Next, you must also complete the license application and attach additional documents. So just follow the board's website link, and from here, just scroll down until you get to the forms and applications section. And here you can see the contractor license forms that you can access. You can also see here application instructions, so you can choose between English or Spanish, then choose between interactive or static. And here you can start filling out this application form. So for interactive forms, you can fill this out right away. Then once done filling out this form, you can submit this to this address. So the last step is to submit your application and pay fees. Here you can also see the full address where you can mail your application form all together with the important documents and requirements. And you will also need to pay a non-refundable license fee depending on the class. For Class A, it's $385. For Class B, $370. And for Class C, $235. It will then take 30 days on average for applications to be processed and approved. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!